Okay, so there's gonna be 3 people in this challenge. Your boy, the cameraman Kevin, the boy, the fucking Benny Bird, and me, Tommy Bird. Okay, ready? We're not brothers though. Okay, let's go.
We're not brothers though.
Let's go.
Go. Oh, these cameras. These camera skills are OP, bro. These camera skills.
I saw you.
It's just a prank. All right, ready? Go.
Ready? Yo, this is the first one. This is called the normal. Fuck.
Oh, that's gay.
Yo, Ben, it's your turn. Oh, it's my turn? Yeah.
It's just a prank. Oh! He landed that.
Imagine I landed. Okay, yeah, it's your boy Kevin.
Okay. Now it's my turn. This is also called the normal.
Okay, man.
Fucking
I'm fucking overreacting, man. Okay.
Oh my god, I almost made it. Candy. It's your boy Kevin Durant here. Bro, this is TMZ. We're filming Kevin Durant. It's your boy Kevin. Just a prank.
Look at the camera. It's called a backdrop. It's called a retarded shot.
Okay, my turn. Oh my god. My turn, boy. It's your boy.
It's your boy Tommy Bird.
You fucking that game. Okay, guys, I'm filming this one.
No one's filming that.
Got him.
Oh shit.
Okay.
So you go like this. Oh, that's nice for you. Nah, really? That's considering.
Oh, from behind the camera. It's your boy Katie. Okay, it's the next one since I got it. Oh, this is the musty pounds. What the fuck are your pants, bro? They're fucking monsters. That fucking cum stick? Okay, okay, this one is called the sideways.
Get rejected.
Okay, man, do that shit. Okay, man, like. Fuck was that, you faggot?
Pass it.
I don't even know what it's called. Are you cheesed? Stop it! This is called the autistic water bottle. This is called the deformed autistic water bottle.
Where?
This is called the deformed bottle.
Ben, can you give me that ball, please?
The cat flip. Hold up. The cat flip. My cat flip. Yo, cut.